I want to get started today with this live stream. Live streaming just some thoughts. Make sure we are all on the same page, okay? So where are we at right now? All right, let's wrap it up. I'm not talking to everybody, right? We got the masses, but then you got a lot of people who are waking up to what the hell is really going on, asking questions, looking into things and realizing, wow, this shit's all fake, right? Disclosure Detroit. Ask me what that's all about. And that's cool as hell. That's nice. I like that. It's fun to watch. You know, like a lot of people are finding out about a lot of stuff. They got a lot of social media stuff. Like, there's so many things that are obviously fabrications and lies, right? Obviously. But the media, you know, that's not their job to go there. They don't want to go there. You know, just the more and more you realize, shit, what the hell? So there's people that want to know and people that don't want to know. Most people don't want to know. And you know what? That's okay. That's okay. I'm really, really happy that a lot of the people in the alternative media space have grown huge, you know, because people are realizing that they're being lied to and they're looking for different options. That's so wonderful. We gotta capitalize on that, right? Obviously. I say obviously because right in front of us is the opportunity to make this shit happen. I'll say it every day, the left and the right must unite. Okay? This is critical path to making the future work for the benefit of the people. I mean, I hear arguments on the liberal side and the conservative side, and pretty much everybody's saying the same thing. We're getting fucked over, right? It's just how you want to it's just like how you want to frame it. You know, a lot of the liberals, they like to frame it as this oppressor stuff and like, you know, own the means of production stuff. That stuff just, you know, I get it though, right? Practically, no, that wouldn't work out, practically. But I get it though, you know, they too want things to work out for the people, right? That's a positive thing. They want good for everybody. But sometimes it just doesn't work out that way, right? Socialism, whatever you want to call it, right? It doesn't have a good track record. I mean, can we figure something else out? You know, if it had a good track record, I'd be all about it, but it doesn't have a good track record. You know, it's called like making an informed decision. It's a tough sell, that's for sure. But I still respect where they're coming from. You know, I get it. But on like the conservative side, what they seem to be saying is that we don't even really have a government in the first place. You can't even deal with anything unless you have the ability to do something about it. If you wanted to do something about it, like take what you would call health care, for example. If you ask me, that's not too tough to deal with. I mean, it just seems almost intentional, right? Just like you don't have to take phys ed class anymore. what the hell is up with that, man? Phys ed class was cool as hell. You know, kids don't go outside and they're eating like shit. I mean, really, I'm having a hard time realizing that that's not, or I'm having a hard time saying that that's not child abuse. I'm having a hard time saying it. That ain't right. Anyhow, everybody just go along with it. What are you gonna do? But I'm just saying that as for an example, using that as an example to say that what power do we really have? So I think you understand where I'm coming from. Essentially, the left and the right must unite. Okay, because this is not gonna work, right?